Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Trader to be, good morning. Espionage, let's make some money. I 100% agree. Crypto Panda, good morning. Good to see you. Good to see you, Crypto Panda. What's up? Trader Monk, good morning. Joregelt. Yonix, hey there. What's going on? All right. So, the morning started and I'm already in a trade, by the way. I saw this possible reversal on the 5-minute, so I just took it. But otherwise, let's see what happened. So, yesterday we went down all the way below the 21k. Yesterday's low was 883, and we went down to a 1 hour busy here. So I really thought that we're gonna go back to this 175, 21, 175 area, but it's no problem. So Maxi, yo, good morning. Pinion, good morning. What's the best promo right now? Well, the cheapest one is at Bulenox currently, if you're looking for the cheapest one. As for the best promo, well, all of them has good promos, depending on what you're looking for. All right. Let me check the new day opening gap. Did we have a new day opening gap? We did a very, very small, tiny gap here. Somewhere here. Actually, there's no gap. Yeah. All right. Penny Pops, hello from Canada. Flash Delgado, what's up? I had a disagreement with my job today of many years and no longer at 9 to 5. Now we... Oh, wow. All right, man. Oh, okay. Let's do this. Let's do this. You know, it's time to make some real money. Oh, what did I do? It's time to make it. The time has finally come. Five-minute CB here. Sam, hey there. Doing great, thank you. There's a 5-minute CB just at previous day low. So as I said, I entered a position here, looking for this one to go back to that CB, if it can go back. Actually, I might gonna lower my TP, but I'm not sure. Maybe just a little bit, you know, just here. Right. Simon, hey, good morning. MB Trader, what's up? Below 1p. Oh. Well, it was absolutely, I mean, the way that it was going down yesterday, and then this one more spike down. So it was slow but steady decline here. The real Fox is here. Welcome. Okay. Let's see what's happening. I have to check for the levels here. Can we say that this is Asia high? after midnight here? I think we can, maybe. I'm gonna say that, let's call this, actually it's not, almost. There's another one, but I'm just gonna put buy side liquidity or Asia, who knows. 929 if it wants to go there. The mid level of this 5-minute CB is 82.75. Yeah, my TP is below that, so let's see if it gets it. Naomi, good morning. Good to see you, Naomi. You see that huge break of structure at 884. Yeah, of course. This is previous day low. I see that. Also, almost lines up perfectly with the mid level of that CB on the 5-minute chart. So, yeah. You're searching along. Yeah, that could be a good idea. I mean, if we go to the 1 hour, we had a 1 hour BC to the left, and if we look to the left a little bit more, I don't really see anything else. Obviously, it can waterfall down much more, but I would say next sell side liquidity would be at 642 ish on that small swing low right there is a significant sell side liquidity. But I don't know. Maybe if it wants to reprice a little bit higher on this drop, that would be good. I'd like to see that, you know, tag into the mid level of that 5-minute gap. And don't forget that this one can easily continue to just drop, you know. No, I'm currently in a long position. All I'm looking for is to reprice that 5-minute fair value gap. And there's also a small 1-minute fair value gap here as well. Maybe it's a good area for picking up liquidity. And that's it, basically. That's it. So we have a 5-minute gap here, and we also have a 1-minute. $877 looking at longs from longs from there. Oh, well, it's, you know, nothing special. Looks like this position is melting down. I thought that this one's gonna go there. Seems like it's not. There is another 5-minute gap here. Not good. I thought that this is just gonna go. So this was my idea, to enter on that candle. 1 to 2 risk to reward is still way higher, by the way, just saying. It should be at the 88s, but it might not gonna go there. Oh no, my position is getting deleted. Had a good London session. This signal was a 50-pointer, by the way. 50-pointer. Let's see. Yeah, something like that. Something like that, yeah. Anyway. I'm just gonna wait. Yeah, imagine that sell. I mean, if you posted a picture, I don't see it because YouTube is not letting us see any images. 866 to 944. Oh yeah. Yeah, right now there's nothing on my end as well. I mean, it didn't even go up to that 15-minute gap. So right now, I would still like this to go higher and at least pick up some orders. On the 15-minute, well, could go lower, but I mean, I don't know. Next significant level would be down at 643, in my opinion. But I don't know. Just gonna wait. Just going to wait. I'm not going to overcomplicate this. I'm gonna wait what it does with this 5-minute CB. So, Kuko, good morning. Still in a long signal, which usually results as back down. Oh, I see it. I understand. Okay. A down moving Globex. Oh. But it bounced 9 EMA downside, which I'm worried about if we continue down. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, we might need to break it. Yeah, agree. Cash is the best position. Yeah, exactly. Stay on the sidelines, you know. Staying liquid. So a lot of what I say, no, it's okay. You know, it's perfectly okay. You can say your strategy. I'll try to catch up, you know. Yeah, listen, I always say the same thing, Espionage. Whatever prints you money, who cares what kind of strategy, indicator, concept, whatever, you know. If it makes you money, that's all that matters, you know. That's it. From Tradeify, let's see if they oh, let's go. Let's go, CryptoPanda. Backlog. Oh, yeah. That really gives PTSD to everybody. If somebody says backlog, that triggers the PTSD. Just a silly trader. Hey, listen, it's cool, no problem. Espionage. Everybody has their own strategy. I heard about EVA Futures. I didn't try them yet. Red, good morning, and Raf, hello. Yeah, we'll see, Tradeify. I mean, so far, they seem like they don't want to do the same mistakes as FTT did. And they also have a program, which is, I think, is a key factor. They also have a... so they also want to put traders to live account. Which is good. Oh, I see. I see the picture you sent me, real folks. Okay. All right. Very nice. Nice sell there. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. Information 15-minute forming says I see. Someone's about looking like we could have a decent push. Yeah, let's see. I'm just looking us to revisit this area currently, and we'll go from there. I mean, it can go down, it can continue, but I don't want to take a short here in this area. 889. That's a good area. Remember, look at this. I mean, it's not a perfect order block, But that swing on the 1 minute, I think if price would get up there, I think it would want to take out that 96 level, maybe even the 900 level. You know, it's going to get so close to 900. And that's why I'm going to be curious what price wants to do. Obviously, I went against my rules because I entered the trade before the kill zone. So it was 1:30, 1:35 actually, a.m. Eastern Standard before the kill zone. But, you know, when I saw that there is no other significant PD array below, then I thought, okay, this one should try to at least retrace into this area. And it gave me a nice bullish formation. So I just got the invitation from Rise. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, they did use the word backlog. But their CEO is very, very, very much anxious that everybody gets paid. I hope he's not gonna say welcome home. I hope it's gonna get regulated, Kuko. I really hope it's gonna get regulated. I am actually almost like begging for the regulators to step in. So I think a lot of prop firms may be gone because I think the regulations will require a huge cash amount of reserve. That will be a must, I think, and it should be a must for a prop firm to at least have like the same or double amount of money as the ongoing profits on the simulated prop accounts. So or simulated funded accounts. So I'm really hoping that the regulators will step in as soon as possible. I really hope. Welcome home. Yeah. Oh, that gives me PTSD as well. Had a sell 945 and it held. Oh, nice. Well, you just had to sit tight, you know, and enjoy the ride there. I don't know. DGT. I don't know. What is that? Is that a prop firm? If it's regular, it's over for prop firm trading and 10-20 accounts at one firm at the same time. That's more than enough. I mean, sorry. Yeah, it's over for 10 accounts. I think one user can be allowed up to 1 or 2 accounts, maybe, if the regulations take place. I think 1 or maximum 2 accounts per user. The evaluation phase is going to be much harder. No 1-day pass, I think. Prices are going to increase 100%. That the price is going to increase a lot. And, you know, but there has to be, like the prop firms are doing right now, there will be a clear path, 100% guaranteed clear path way to live funded accounts. So evaluations will be harder. It will be more expensive. No more 10 accounts, as you said. Maybe 1 account per user. Or 1 evaluation, maybe. Only just 1 single evaluation at a time, you know. So these things will come. SMT on 874. Could be. I haven't even checked it. Have yet to see a strat as good as profitable. Let's go. ICT could never. Well, as I said, real folks, if you print money with it, that's all that matters. And actually, you sent some great signals there. Isn't it always like this? Pioneers in a new industry are gone as soon as the big boys enter the ring. Yeah. Good morning, Salty Finn. I don't think you realize the impact of regulations will have on traders. Yeah, I know. I just said it. Costs will go way up. More trading rules. Exactly. I do realize. I just said so. it will be, everything is gonna change upside down. Everything. Dollar General Trader. That group is trash. I never heard of them. No, not yet. I'm working on like currently 2 evaluation accounts or test accounts currently. But I'm trying. Much bigger data cost and less accounts. Live trading is much harder to make a living. Versus sim funded. I don't really want that, but you know, why would somebody go to a prop firm? We're go to prop firms to have a bigger leverage, you know, to actually work with a quote unquote bigger capital to make more gains. Obviously, there has to be still an advantage for the trader if someone is choosing to go with a prop firm. But you know, there has to be some kind of advantage, obviously, for someone to choose a prop firm, and that should be the leverage. Like you have to have the ability to make more money with the same strategy on a prop firm account than instead of just putting in a few $100 or $1,000 to your personal account, whatever, you know. He's a streamer as well. I heard a lot is yours got screwed after he kept promoting FTT. Oh, even after many red flags. He was promoting FTT after he kept promoting. Well, I guess like many of us were promoting FTT. So Yokozuna, hey there, good morning. Dominic, good morning. Less risk, more leverage. Yeah. No. So many new names. I didn't look into that yet. They denied payouts. I also heard some people got approved and got paid by the new rules. Yeah, now, you know, it is what it is. What can we do? It's most likely about the 30% rule. And that's it. Because people are not using stop loss, so they just let their position slide below 30%. But it's I mean, it's a soft breach. It's not an end of the world or something. Yeah, Jay, I know what you're saying, but like for example, this 30% rule with Apex. So I think there are going to be some similar rules with every regulated prop firm later on, that you should not let one particular trade go below more than 30% in drawdown of your total threshold, whatever, blah blah blah. You know, all these things. But you still have enough money in the account. Yeah, something like that, John. Yeah. I mean, we just have to trade with the proper risk management, and that's the key. You know, that's it. Are not regulations from CMA. It is a story for retail traders. Prop firms have to move profitable traders. Yes, Yokozuna. Yeah, I'm not worried, by the way, about it. We just have to, you know, use proper risk management and just continue to trade. SMT is working. Let's go. There you go, real folks. Does Apex still have the trade size consistency? If you trade one contract in a trade and then you trade 5 contracts in another trade. I'm not sure about that, Jay, but as long as you are using, you know, you're not risking more on a position which has 5 contracts. You're not risking more than 30% of your safety threshold. Then that means even if you close it before reaching that level, that you're using proper risk management. And even though if they see that you entered with a higher number of contracts, but you stopped the trade when it went against you, then I think that should be perfectly fine, you know. It should be. Buying options. Oh, yeah. Paul, hey there. Good morning. Good to see you, Paul. Well, I guess, you know, real folks, everybody, you know, has got to a point. Oh no, my trade. Oh no. It was starting out so nicely. Oh man. Anyway. Uh-oh, it's going lower, I think. It's not gonna turn bullish. Yeah. It's a shame. Are not such things are regulated. Prop firms have to optimize rules. Still be profitable. Yeah. Traders improve their trading strategies. Yes. Yeah, something like that. All right, let's see what's gonna happen here. This one has 46.25, 46. The mini didn't go below this candle, which is a good thing. I like that. Oh, but it didn't go higher either. So, okay, so we had the reversal on this gap, and well, not a clean reversal because this one did not go higher, but so far it actually held. Kirk, hey there, good morning. First time here, welcome to the channel. Welcome, Kirk. You know what? Let me give you an applause since you're brand new. As we do for new subscribers too. Kirk, welcome. You know, there are some trades that you have more confidence and some that's high confidence. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Yeah, Jay. Oh yeah, MB Trader. You were right. Good morning, Matt. Hey there. Taco Tuesday. What's up? Csipesz, jó reggelt. Szervusz. Welcome, Csipesz. If anyone's new, let me know. I give you an applause. And when somebody subscribes, it not always gives an alert because if your YouTube is set to private, it's not always popping up the alert box, but you're welcome to chat with us. What's my favorite prop firm? My favorite is currently MyFundedFutures. Support is great. I think they genuinely, the way they are managing the company, that I think that MyFundedFutures really wants to be here for the long run. The things they're doing, the information I gathered in the past couple of months from some of my contacts there, and the way that they're looking and going forward, I think they're definitely looking for a mutual, let's just say, partnership with their traders, and they're also pushing everybody to live. they keep their company sustainable for the long term. I think their rules are absolutely okay. Obviously, yes, they have a little bit more expensive evaluation accounts, but they came up with the instant funded account too. I think the rules are absolutely doable. So, and if you count with the no activation fee, I think they're still one of the cheapest, or maybe the cheapest in the prop firm industry. If you just go with a starter account, $80 or $76 if you ACH wire. And that's the cheapest one with no activation fee. Anyway. Obviously, TopStep is good too. Just saying, because I know a lot of you guys are using TopStep. But the other prop firms you see here, I do trade with them all actively. So I do like these. And I did get payouts, not from all of them, but I'm working on it. Dilzik, good morning. Gerald, good morning. Oh, this is an average. Okay. Well, we'll see what happens, you know. We still have the London Open. Morning coffee trading downstream. Yeah, I have my morning coffee too, right here. Yeah, the Servus actually comes from Germany, but we use it in Hungary too. Servus, we just say Servus. Actually the same. Watch and learn, yeah. Well, I'm just, you know, I'm just watching price action. Not nowadays that much, you know. Last year I was watching, but if I want to make some quick money, I usually watch them, because when you just, you know, small secret, if you fade them, that's always a good investment, you know. If you fade the house account, if you want to make some quick money, then just go to TopStep TV. All right, now I'm trolling. I'm stopping. All right. Yeah, sometimes I check them, but not nowadays. I'm just trolling. If you lose. You know the language, Fresh Delgado. All right, köszönöm szépen. Profit trade is nice too. Yeah. I mean, I like their vision. I like, obviously they have rules as well. I have my reasons that I wanted to trade with them. I talked with their CEOs. Obviously, every new prop firm has its ups and downs. And I told this in my video too, and to everybody, you know, obviously nobody wants to see another FTT, so, you know, keep that in mind. Anyway. Yeah, they often lose. The first stop naming their accounts. By the way, and this is no troll, guys, what I'm going to say, but hate me for it if you want. I respect everybody's opinion. And it's not against you guys, so please don't take it the wrong way. But I hope you guys don't believe that the quote-unquote house account on TopStep TV is real money. I hope you guys don't believe that. I really hope you guys don't believe that that is real money, right? So don't tell anybody, but that's a demo account. If you really think that they would let the house account down hundreds of thousands of dollars in the past 3 months, then, you know, okay, let's just stay with that. That's demo money. That's not real actual cash money. All right. They wouldn't do such a stupid thing to let that account down to hundreds of thousands of dollars just for fun for TopStep TV, you know. All right. That's why they don't care about it. So again, I'm saying this with all respect. I mean, you know, just be aware of that, you know. Don't be blinded by, oh my God, the house money account. Okay. You know. Marty, hey there. Good morning. The daily walks are going. I usually, well, I manage to make it at least 3 days a week to walk like 5 or 6 kilometers. I should be doing it every day, by the way. So, yeah. And I'm counting calories as well. So doing okay. Did you see the post on X? Profit Trade is having... No, Profit Trade were having a delay this week, Idle Boy. They were having a delay because they were doing the manual approvals, but I checked in Telegram and I talked with the CEO too. I talked with a few guys who already got the payouts, but a little bit behind. Yes, I saw that. 47K on one trade. Oh my god. That's not good. Thank you, Martin. They don't cut their losses on house account. They just take a side and pray. Oh. So yeah, what I saw on their Telegram, they are actually not like weeks or whatever behind, and they already paid out a lot this week because Monday is usually payday, and almost every day they have payouts now. They're catching up and they have automation ASAP, obviously. That's it. Bulenox payouts. I got my payout. So I got my recent payout. It was only $1,000 this week. So I got that. I know there's a case still hovering on Twitter and X. What's that guy called? I forgot his name, but I think I saved it somewhere because I was reading his post. Live McTrader. Yeah, Live McTrader. Yeah, he got denied for 490 something or 70 something thousand, almost $500,000 from Bulenox. So that case is still floating. So I think in that particular case, I think Bulenox also made a mistake, and that's why they came up with the new rules as well. 45K and 150 points with 15 cons, just to put that into perspective. Oh, really? 15 connies? Oh, 150 points. Interesting. Yeah, so Jay, that's, yeah, what you're saying. Yeah, I agree. That's what I'm saying too. The thing is, if you're trading on a simulated prop firm account and you're growing your account, that is good. But I don't care which prop firm are we talking about. It can be any of these names that you see here. Take Profit Trader, Apex, Profit Trade, Tradeify, whatever, you know, MyFundedFutures. Actually, MyFundedFutures is, so if you have reached a certain amount of profit, they're going to put you into a live account, is what I've heard. I know there are some different, there are some rules about that, but they want to put you into a live account after a certain amount, because if they see their traders making progress, obviously they immediately see that as a risk factor. So, and that's what Bulenox didn't do on time. So they let this guy, and I feel for him because it's obviously frustrating. They let this guy accumulate up to $500,000 on his funded accounts. So it's not just one account, it's multiple accounts. And I think Bulenox made the mistake by not reaching out to him in the first place and, you know, telling him that, hey man, listen, we want to put you on a live account, or let's figure out something because, you know, you're accumulating too much here. And obviously, he has withdrawn more than 3 times. So by the Bulenox rules, if you withdraw more than 3 times, there is no more cap on your withdrawal. So obviously after that he wanted to get a big amount, and Bulenox should have seen this forward, like, okay, this guy is going to take out a huge pile of money if we let him stay on the simulated funded account. So that's why, for example, MyFundedFutures or Apex is now going into this way. Take Profit Trader. So all these prop firms are going into the direction, if they see their traders building up the account, making progress, they're putting everybody to live as soon as possible, you know, to manage their risk. Bray, welcome. We need a tutorial on how to read the heat map. I don't really use it, so I don't really use it to any kind of strategy or entry model. So I know what it is. I sometimes I look at it, but I really don't. I'm not really into that. Just if I want to check an important level, I check on it to see if what's going on there, but you know, it's not difficult, by the way. Cedric, good morning. And if they force you to go live, take out as much as you can and open your own live account. Why split the profits? Well, yeah, there comes the next question. So, for example, if you make like $8,000 or $10,000 on a simulated funded account, what can you do with that money? Obviously, you can do a lot with that money on your personal account. Or what benefits? But the question is very good. Why would you split the profit with the prop firm, or instead just take out that money, put it to your own personal account? That's a very good question, by the way. I didn't really thought too much about it. I guess it's mostly interesting for those traders who are trading with bigger contract size. So who actually want really bigger leverage, and maybe through a prop firm live account, maybe they have some extra add-ons like extra leverage or whatever. I don't know. But the question is very good. Yeah, why pay the professional fees? Why give profit split to the prop firm? You know what? Actually, I don't have an answer for that. I don't know. If I would have, like, for example, 10K on my simulated funded account, and the prop firm tells me, all right, buddy, you made some good profits. I think we're going to put these profits to a live account. Maybe I would tell that, okay, guys, you know what? I'm just going to take my profits and walk away, you know? I'm going to walk away. Thank you. And just wire me my profits, and I'm just going to deposit it to my own personal account, you know? So why would... That's a very good question. Why would somebody be still motivated to stay? Or you know what? I think the prop firm don't care. You know, because the prop firms still make the big amount of money on the failed accounts. So they know that, okay, they might gonna have to pay out 10K or 8K or 15K or 12K to a trader, but at least they got rid of the risk. You know, no more risk with that person. With decent balance over 100K for 10K, you're right, no interest. Yeah. And if you live in the US, why pay higher taxes on your profits? That's true. Can the live account also... no, only with 120 multi-accounts. No, as far as I know, the live accounts if someone, for example, at TopStep, I think if you go to a live account, you are not allowed to have XFA accounts, for example. I think that's a new rule, but I don't know for sure. So let me know if it's incorrect. But I think TopStep made the change that that you cannot have XFA accounts once you're moved to a live account. But I have not sure. Somebody told me this. Not true. Okay. Okay then. I didn't know. That's why I'm asking. Okay. Okay, so that's not true. How much do you think a prop firm makes today? Depending on which prop firm. 1 million. If you make $1 million, you're net over 200K or more taxes because you didn't split. You don't pay the higher taxes. Oh, yeah, Jay. Because it's not really your money. If prop firm company bankrupt, you will lose. But as I understand, if they put somebody to a live account, the live account is going to be under the individual's name. So under the trader's name. That's how I know. Is that you actually have to fill out all the paperwork and, sign up form with the brokerage under your own name. But Tamás here has a live account with TopStep. Good morning, jó reggelt, Tamás. Tamás is a live TopStep trader. I think you had to fill out your individual information to open a new brokerage account, right? Yeah, there you go. So it's not under the prop firm's name. So I don't know how the profit split works then, but anyway. But yes, they make millions. Some of them make millions a day. Some of them make hundreds of thousands a day. If you prefer actually risk same time. Prefer way it does, but if made correctly once a day, you will surprise yourself. Oh yeah, definitely, Dominic. Once they put me to live, it's split between 3 accounts. Oh. Man, this trade is not looking good for me. I really thought that this is gonna go back to that 5-minute CB up there. Yeah, I had to make a new contract. Yeah. There you go. And Tomasz is paying the data fee monthly. I don't need the contract. Yeah, you have to select account, email, everything. Okay. No signal, no trade. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm also. So if the prop firm goes bankrupt, that money is still yours, right? Because that is under your name at the brokerage. I suppose so. Why is not your money? Interesting. So you open the account at the brokerage, they deposit the money under your name. Anyway, interesting. But they need a brokerage. TopStep does need a brokerage. So like Tradeify or Ninja, basically the same, or they need to use something. I mean, they are not a registered broker, right? TopStep is not a registered futures brokerage, or are they? So they have to use a third-party brokerage if they're pushing somebody to a live account in order to see the live data. They already have. Okay, so that's why I'm asking. So I don't know which brokerage is that you usually use, but when you open an account with that specific brokerage under your own name and the funds are deposited there, then you know, it should be your money then, I guess. Now they need some work. Okay, but you know, I was just, you know. Yeah, unfortunately, this trade is now not looking good. Trade await for live. Okay, thank you, Marco. TOMSABO is freezing. Oh, that's not good. You have to pay the data, Notave. That's what I know. You have to pay data fees. No, I'm still in the trade, but it doesn't look good. I'm still in it, but Thomas sent me. Let me check. Yeah. Access has been closed. You can request payout 50% of your current account balance. Okay. So when okay. Yeah. Yeah. It's yeah. I see the form, but you know, we were just wondering if that account is gonna be under your name or under TopStep's name. You know, that's the question. Yes to Colo. Let me check. TopStep's name, not specifically. Okay. Okay, I didn't know that. Macro incoming. Yeah, and we have London Open real soon. Unfortunately, I think I'm gonna get swept out from this position. You can't owe it if you're. So yeah, that's why, because I think, for example, you are moved to a live account. For example, I'm just saying a number. For example, you have like $15,000 on your XFA account, 15,000. Okay, it's not too big number, it's not a small number, but you have like $15,000, and TopStep says, all right, you know what, we're gonna put you to a live account because you got some payouts already, you know, everything works fine, and they moving you to a live account. Now that live account, so that $15,000 is gonna be your whole balance. Now the question is, maybe under TopStep's umbrella you can have a leverage, like if you would have the $50,000 or the $150,000 or the 100K, you know, I don't know, maybe the brokerage is giving the prop firm live traders a bigger leverage, so you can still use up your whole account. For example, if you would put that 15K into your personal account, you would not have the same amount of leverage, maybe. I don't know. I'm just thinking out loud. I don't know. Anyway. Yeah. I can trade capital from someone else without passing French regulation certificate. Yeah. Yeah, that is why I don't know these things as well. Get a winner. Yeah, I mean, I'm still hoping, you know. Hope dies last. Yeah, maybe we could have an SMT, but unfortunately, I think this one wants to go lower. It had a nice reaction on the 1 hour CB, or sorry, BC from earlier on the other day, especially on the 5 minute. Didn't go. What can we do? For some time it was looking good, but got to accept the fact that these things can happen. Waterfall down, you know. Well, it's actually not a waterfall, but so small, slow grind, taking the stairs down. Might gonna go down one leg and take the elevator up, who knows. High resist run, maybe. On by prop firm, I have no problem at all. Yeah. Leveraging, you are protected against a negative account balance. Okay. Okay, Greg. So there you go. There's an answer I was looking for. So what are your benefits by keeping that money under the umbrella of the prop firm? You know, margin requirement. Somebody told me the other week that the margin requirement is different in a prop firm and when you open a personal live account. So the prop firm is giving you a little bit more access to leverage. Something like that. Yeah, but I think I don't know the details. Tomasz might know. It's same trade as you. Yeah. The thing is, I think it can still go down. It's very close. It's like less than 15 points. Super easy for London Open to sweep the lows here, but you know. If trading your own account, you are protected against negative trade balance as well, as they auto liquidate before you go to negative. Yeah, that's true too. I would never sell. Don't want to buy this dip. I mean, I was just hoping that we go back to the 5 minute gap. That's all I was hoping for. Anyway, we have the London Open in less than 1 minute. Gabriel, let's hope. Yeah, hopefully some good movement. I opened up an AMP account last year. Traded on it with MetaTrader 5. Guess what? MetaTrader 5 with the real money, but didn't make profits on it. So I just deposited like $2,000, I think, or $2,500. I don't even know. I don't know about that. That was, I wasn't using them for too long, only just a short amount of time, and then I don't even know if my registration is still active. I think they emailed me that I need to sign some contract to have the account open up or stay open. I shouldn't tease you. All right, Gabriel. A personal account is great for swing trading. That's true. If you want leverage with 10k capital, AMP will give you the opportunity, but don't advise. Yeah, gotta be careful. Dollar move on my sell signal thus far. Well, let's see what's gonna happen here. The problem is that it still feels heavy. That's the problem. For me, this is still looks like heavy. So yeah, I don't like it. I think it might want to sweep the lows again, and whatever comes after that, right? Oh wow, let me read the chat. Plus 340 on shorts. Let's go. ES broke the low. NQ didn't. Interesting. And unfortunately, I think NQ can follow ES. That's the problem. On the session last 2 nights. Let's go. That's awesome. Espionage. London's too slow for you. Yeah, we could do something. Yeah, sometimes we should do like a community stream, like everybody can share their opinion and their charts. Chat chill as always. You're always up. Let's go. Yeah. Definitely. Just lock myself out of my making. Let's go. Making 450. That's a good profit for the day. Yeah, the lockout feature is in these cases, it's definitely a positive thing. Oh no. Oh no. I'm afraid that NQ is not gonna be able to hold this. It's gonna sweep the lows. What a shame. Oh, you can start definitely espionage. Absolutely. We used to do. I'm gonna write to Methodical Man because we need to do some joint streams again with him. No espionage, don't worry about it. If I never said to, actually I talked with a few guys already on Discord who are started out their own streaming. I mean, they started streaming or want to start streaming, so you know. Come on. We have so many viewers already who are watching everybody anyways. So many of our viewers are usually at the same streams. So that's cool. Zach, good morning. Hey, no problem. I'm not taking it personal, real folks. Absolutely. I know. I'm cool with everybody here. Oh no. You know, if this one is going to take out my stop, which I think it will, we're just going to take a moment of silence for this nice trade that we're going into profit but didn't quite go through those highs. Oh, what a shame. It should have gone into this liquidity area up there. I don't understand why it didn't. But interesting for sure. Sorry. I try to aim for 1 to 2 risk to reward. And there was a nice, not just a 1 minute gap, but a 5 minute gap up there. And it was very close. I was surprised that why it didn't just actually wick up there, you know, to take it. It was very, very close. Even the 5 minute gap was very close. Look at that. So it didn't go, unfortunately. But anyway, I'm gonna get taken out from this real soon. I think so. I'm actually thinking to close this with a smaller loss. Yeah. It's going down. Still in it, but I think it's just one spike down and it's over. Nice and hard sometimes when you see Dakota short, you long position. At the end, you need to follow your own process. Yeah. Yeah. You know, this trade was fitting my, not the perfect trade, obviously, but it was fitting my criteria. I took it before the kill zone, and I was really hoping for a retrace into liquidity up there, which I think it can still happen, but first, you know, it wants to sweep this level. At the middle of the 1 hour BC, I think we're gonna trade through it. What a shame. What a shame. Yeah. And it's gone. And it's gone. Like they said in South Park. And it's gone. Okay. Yeah, it happens like that. It's in the cards. And it's gone. Okay, it seems like the drop is continuing. I was really hoping to get a... So it didn't actually go up. Look at this. This is the 15-minute. It didn't go up to the 15-minute gap. It didn't go up into the 5-minute gap. It didn't even go up to the 1-minute gap. So what does that tell you? It really wants to go lower, right? I'm going to put the 800 level here because it's a nice round number. Might want to take it out. No, Gabriel, you didn't. No, don't say that. Yeah, I had to put a stop there, you know. Too heavy. Yeah. So that's why it's interesting that it wanted to push into liquidity up there, and it just couldn't even get to a 1-minute fair value gap. It was just so heavy to go down lower. Maybe let's see, ES. Yeah, ES is, let me check the 1-hour chart on ES. Oh yeah, look at that. 5901. 5901. Interesting. If it goes down to 5900, which I think it wants to, it looks like it wants to, yes, on the 4-hour, the 1-hour significant swing low there, then yeah, it looks like that NQ might just follow. We might even have to buckle up for a sell-off here. I'm looking for the 50 retracement TOMSABO move around 680. Yeah, that could be a good idea. And I'm looking at this new fair value gap now, which is here, and looking at the mid-level. Signal. Trend day could be a trend day. If this is a trend day, then it seems like it's going to be a sell-off day. Should have taken AS 864. Yeah, you know. Well, rules, yeah, they changed the rules, but it's mainly the rule changes for flipping and average contract sizing, you know. I mean, I don't think it's all that terrible. You know, just keep on using proper risk management and no windfall days or trades, and that's it. What can we do, right? Mean retrace, yeah. All right, one more minute from this 5-minute candle here. Next algo line is 720. If it's sell, can we even target? I think we definitely can. I would target the 643 level if it's going to a sell scenario. So we're just creating a new fair value gap here. Okay, it's getting smaller now. 20 seconds. Almost the same mid-level. All right, so we created a new fair value gap. And would you look at that? The same mid-level with the 1 hour BC. What a coincidence. Random. So that level would be important, that 837. Hey, Dale Zizinga, what's up? I have 2 Bulenox accounts, both need 750 to pass. If I buy and sell the other, will I have violated any rules? Well, don't tell this to anyone because it's a secret, but I did that a few times. And yeah, so I got the funded account, so I did that a few times, but don't tell anyone. And I actually know that Methodical Man did that too. I think he told me, but it's a secret. 837 is also the 1 hour pivot point. It's I just want to say that there is nothing in the rules, nothing in the rules about evaluation accounts, nothing at all. Not even at Apex. Just saying. Nowhere. I checked everywhere. Terms and conditions, contracts. I was, you know, checking everything. Not just with Bulenox, Apex as well. All the small details I could, everything. Especially looking for evaluation accounts. Nothing about this. Anyway. Zip it. You know? Yeah. Yeah, real folks. Yeah. Yeah. I did that at Apex too, but that's a secret. Actually, others did that too. And I think many people did that, so. Okay, back to the 1 hour BC. So let's look at this level at 837. What kind of reaction are we going to have? Are we going to continue lower? Is the draw on liquidity is okay? It's not going to go lower. Okay, never mind. Never mind. I don't see anything that I like here. Not yet, at least. Maybe this was enough for NQ to sweep the lows and now go back to that 5-minute CB up there. Patience is the key, you know. People do that in front number. They go full tilt on both sides. Yeah. It's all right, Maxi. Don't worry. We're just talking about these levels here. As usual, prop firm talk, you know. Nothing special. NQ just went lower, took me out from the previous buy position. Sweeping liquidity here. This 837-ish area could be an interesting place here. The market should decide if it wants to continue with the sell-off or go back up there. So far the daily candle does seem like bearish. How far are we from the midnight level? 81 points in London, which is, I would say, we're bearish for sure. Yeah, it looks like difficult. By the way, I think the past like 2 or 3 weeks are more difficult than, for example, August and September. So I think September, August, maybe even October in some way was a little bit easier. You know, we were trending, obviously, we were breaking new highs, and now we're just consolidating all week. It's a consolidation week. Now, this is an interesting scenario because I do like this candle formation on the 5-minute. Oh man. There was also a possible entry here, but I didn't like this candle. I think it might gonna go lower. Yeah. It was definitely a bearish sign. Oh yeah, look at that. It's just going. If I would have been super aggressive, I could have entered here, but you know, the body of this candle, it was a little bit too big according to this one to take a sell in this 5-minute gap. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, but it was a riskier one to go with, you know, with a 1 to 2 risk to reward. Boom. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, right? Anyway. And now it's too late. Yeah, it's questionable here. Took a short. Let's go. You like the pre-market session? Oh. Yeah, Herty. So you have to carve out your own approach to trading. Obviously, you can have lots of ideas from all different kinds of concepts and strategies, because there's a lot of ways to trade the market. So in shorts, using the hammer. All right. Covered at 1925. All right. All right. Monthly VWAP. Okay. We'll see what's going to happen from here. Why not just follow the trend at any pullback? Yeah, that's true. The 10K Bulenox, yes, Lara Becca, the Bulenox sale is only from 50K and higher. So the 25K, I don't even know if they have a 10K. Does Bulenox has a 10K? I think they have. It's not on sale. So the small accounts are not on sale. It's only from 50K and higher. You know, quick 18 points in London, I take it anytime, Jay. Anytime I take a quick 18 points in London. Yeah. Yeah, so only the 50K and higher. I wouldn't go bigger than 100K with Bulenox because of the activation fee. The 100K is also having like 240 something. So that's, you know, that would be the maximum I would go with. So the 50Ks are optimal. Yeah, that was a quick drop there. All right, let's see how's this candle gonna close. Oh man, I was eager to step into a short position, but I don't like this candle. Under different circumstances, I might have jumped into a short, but not like this. Not like this. Let me look at the 1 hour, nothing. This one can just continue to sell. 1 minute is still holding. We did go down to 800 almost missed with a few ticks. But I think it should take the 800 and then we'll see, right? What about liquidity voids? Nothing special. There is one here up there. $100-point signal. Wow. You went long from the pivot. I think it should properly break the 800 level now. There you go. And then we should see maybe a bounce or an even faster sell-off. Or who knows. Level 2 drop, level 3 about to come, mostly during New York Open. It could happen, but until the New York Open, this one could be going up there, maybe repricing some areas, picking up some orders, sweeping some positions, orders up there. VIX is also increasing. Okay, let's see. Daily open rejection, yeah. So it would be interesting to see a bounce all the way up there. How far is that? Let me check. It's like 60-ish, 70-ish, 60, 70 points up. The thing is that I think ES wants to go for 5,900. It wants to take it out. So that's the thing. Okay. It's forming another fair value gap here. It's gonna go lower now, I think. And by the way, I totally forgot to say, but Bulenox has a sale on the option 2 accounts as well, 84% off. Option 2 end of day trailing accounts, 84%. They don't really do it too many times, only a few times this year for a short period. Just saying. You can use the TOMSABO 2 code if you would like to check it out. $5,900, yeah. I'm watching that too. Yes. I'm watching that too on ES. And I think it should go down to 5,900. It definitely looks like it wants to drop. The trade of the session was definitely on ES that I missed on the 5-minute. Look at that. It's just going. It's just going. Yeah, exactly. Just have to wait. Just gotta wait. All right, created another fair value gap here in the 5-minute. Not that it matters too much because I think it just wants to tank. Hmm. $657 is the 21-day. May target that area before any serious buying comes in. All right, we're back into that 5-minute gap. Looks like a bullish entry. Could be dangerous. Well, on the mini, I don't like it on the mini. So it's not a bullish entry. The mini is heavier, in my opinion, and so I'm just gonna wait. You shorted 021, 057 yesterday. Oh wow. Yeah, let's see the reaction. Luminary Trader, hey there. How's it going? Welcome. Good to see you. All right, all right. I think it wants to go back up here and maybe reprice that liquidity void up there. Should be pushing. The yen passed my what? The yen is actually quite liquid as far as I understand in futures too, right? In currency futures. All right. It's going up there. I think it wants to reprice that small little area. I have to check on ES again. There is a liquidity void on the ES2 at 59.40. Might want to go up there. I'm not sure. 59.40. Let me check it. $59.40. Yeah. Might want to go up there. This is a tough area. Because of this liquidity void. On the other hand, I might be, you know, entering into a nice short. The problem is that liquidity void up there. That makes this whole situation way more riskier. I don't like it, especially because ES has the same thing too. No, not just fair value gap. I'm looking for order blocks, you know, SMT divergence too. So it depends. Breakers, you know, these concepts together. But I do look the fair value gaps as much as I possibly can. As significant liquidity levels, basically. So yeah. Oh really? Yen is 10 times better trading ES or NQ. Yeah, I know it's quite liquid. US 30 is dropping. Okay. It is easier. Wait, no stop loss hunting. Oh, I see. Longs? Well, maybe I should have taken a long position, but I was scared. I'm still am. I mean, maybe from this area. I don't know. Not sure. Now 1 to 2 risk to reward. It can go all the way up there to 56. Who knows? Nice reversal, but the problem is that the mini seemed to be a little bit more heavier. I was scared to jump in there, so. The mini actually made a wick to the downside. I didn't like that, but did it close this liquidity void? It should tap into it at the 29-ish area. SIG yeah, that's the yen futures, yeah. Tempted short. Superman pattern. Bowser 788 previous month highs. Yeah, could be. Tempted to short, yeah. Very high, all daily highs 788. That's a good area, yeah, Martin. Next macro is, yeah, it's in about 12 minutes or so. I'm going to take a short. We're close. Okay. Moose, hey there. Good morning. Okay. Okay. Is being closest to the opening gap to New York. Oh yeah, I see what you mean. Gary Gensler resigned today. Who is Gary Gensler? I'm sorry. I don't know. Ether could be as well. Yeah, maybe. Small opening range gap there. Okay. Okay, so far this would be not that bad, but the thing is it still has to go into 29, so I'm not going short. It has to wick into that gap at 29, I think. Oh, okay, top of the SEC. He's stopping crypto. Yeah, nothing can stop crypto. They are starting with payout denials again. Yeah, they denied a few people, but we also had some people who got approved and paid already. Maxwell, but yeah, I heard. I'm still trying my best to get more payouts if possible. I want to get more payouts. Do we have a liquidity void on the mini? A small one there. Okay. I'm focusing now on this 5-minute. Yen looks like a rocket ship. Whoa. Oh yeah, this is yen. Wow, look at that. Rocket ship mode right now. Took out this high. Yeah. Going quite fast up there. It's going. Getting back to our previous television programming. Good morning, Manugixer. Jó reggelt. Has the seasonal drop started on NQ? Well, you know, depends on how we look at it, but there is definitely a drop starting. And most likely, like ES is going to pull down NQ. Maybe not yet, but maybe during the New York session. ES right now looks like it wants to go down to 5,900. So, oh, it's forming right this time, yeah. We're gonna have the macro real soon, and then equities. Then 800-ish on the day right now, with shit long entries. Oh, 13k payouts in 2 weeks though, and are at buffer, so I'm going absolutely insane. I don't know which prop firm is that, but you know, if it's Apex, just gonna make sure to close the trade before reaching 30% of one particular account. That's it. One particular trade, sorry. Did we go into that 29 already? Sergeant Buttface Focus. Awesome name there. Cool. Welcome to the channel. Welcome. Thanks for joining. Thank you for joining. MyFundedFutures expert. You're good. Okay, then you're good. You're good. Shorting NQ at 844. All right. This is going up. And I was scared to enter long here. What a shame. Let me look on ES again. Okay, on ES, the liquidity void has been repriced. So we could see maybe a possible continuation, but so far ES seems like it's holding and actually wants to go higher. There's a bearish order block at 59. The high is 59.45. Might gonna break it. It's at London Open, I think. Yeah. So I think it might want to go for it. Gonna be curious. Three minis, yeah. I'm ready to attack opening range low. Well, I'm waiting for a proper entry as well, but you know, battle of the pros. Oh, guys. I wish I could have a proper entry here, but ES is also going up. Yeah. If I would have been super aggressive, maybe here. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, you know. Yeah. So it's just a 1 to 2 risk to reward. Well, water under the bridge. $15 order block. $25-ish. Yeah, it could be an interesting level here. London trap the shorts. That can very well be the scenario here. Watch the 1 minute and then it moves up like 20 points. You feel like you missed the move. Look at the 5 minute and you zoom out. You're not really missing. Yeah. Yeah, that's, you know, I'm trying to look at multiple time frames as well to see some kind of a bigger picture confluation, you know. Significant levels on the 5, even the 15-minute time frame. Anyone below 14 could be a good buy, maybe. Plus 297 on longs. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Well, I was tempted to go long, but I didn't. I was a little bit distracted by ES. I think ES wants to take out a 5 minute bearish order block before going down again. Hard to make a decision here. It's really hard to make a proper decision. Evaluations only now. Let's go. No trades. I'm just waiting, espionage. I'm just waiting, trying to figure this out. I thought that this is going to be a start of a sell-off because I was convinced. I'm still think that ES wants to touch the 5900, but it didn't go there yet. Oh, I see. Okay, Rufox. 25-ish is the level to short or long. Okay. Trader's Realty main indicator in TradingView. It's magical. All right. For our bullish order block, we at 50%. Buying above 1 hour busy. All right. Man, something got into my eye. I don't know what. Bowser still in a cell. Okay. Let's see. A plus trader. Good morning. Totally forgot to say hello. Hello. Was hoping 800 was going to be a stronger support than that, but yeah. Well, I was hoping for a much stronger push on a bounce here at 800. But obviously it can still happen. We're right now in the macro, we have the equity open, so A plus trader, I think, I mean, it can still push if you're long from that area. Yeah, Jay. Yeah, you're right. Said 867 last time, now 825. Oh yeah. You did. 10 points. Easy 10 points. Waiting equity market, yeah. I'm waiting that too. And I'm watching ES as well to see what's gonna go here. But yeah, nothing so far that I want to participate at this moment. You didn't miss. We talked about it. It had. Oh yeah, definitely. But you know, it's easy. It's easy to say, real folks. You know, it's easy to say. I can just tell you, like, you know what I'm gonna say, real folks. Right now at 831, you have to decide because it's gonna go up or down. This is the time to enter a buy or a sell because that's what you said. So I'm just gonna say this. It's 830. Right now is the decision that you have to make because you have to buy or sell. This is the point where you have to buy or sell. And 20 minutes later, I'm going to tell you if we're down here, like I told you to sell at 830, or we're up at 850. I told you to buy at 830, you know. No, I'm saying that with respect, you know. I'm no trolling. I'm just saying that because that's what you said. I know. I know. I know. But I respect about hey, you know, it's nothing to I'm saying this with full respect. I know you send me awesome signals you have on your systems, man. That is awesome what you do there. So I'm saying this to you guys. We're now at 833. I'm gonna be checking back with you in about 15 minutes. I'm telling you now, 831. You have to decide now. This is the point to buy or sell. All right, I'm stopping. But yeah, obviously it was the 25 you said. It was right here. Was an interesting zone. Okay. I know. I was just, don't take it wrong way. I was just trolling, joking a little bit. Let's see. We have the equities in less than 3 minutes. No Diddy, no Ali Trader. No Ali Trader, yeah. Asian consolidation, London accumulation, that US distribution. Yeah, that can happen. I'm not doing that poll because that's gonna... No poll. Okay. I think it should be, it will be 50-50 at this area anyway. Less than 2 minutes now. No, Didi. Let's wait for these equities. Let's see the liquidity. Okay, so ES took out that little swing there on the 5 minute. I think it's going for 45.25 up there. So let's see. Diddy can't have a poll. Nobody would be able to grab it with all the baby oil. Oh my God! Can you guys believe that? It's almost like hard to even believe. I mean, somebody on, I mean, I don't know, obviously, because Twitter is, you know how Twitter is, but there were some pictures illustrating how many Diddy oil was there. And it was a full, like, almost like a garage or a full hangar or whatever, full of Diddy oil. That's how many it was in his mansion. So, interesting. Interesting. Anyway. Couldn't make it up the stairs due to the oil. Yeah. Yeah, it's the baby oil is now Diddy oil officially, you know. Everybody now, you know, the whole humankind, the human race is going to rename the baby oil to Diddy oil from now on. Even after 10 years from now or 20 years, everybody's going to say, "Where's the Diddy oil?" But imagine that amount, you know, you're a police officer, you're stepping into the mansion, and you just enter into a room or a whatever storage unit or whatever, and you see all this. Like, imagine yourself if you're the cop, you know, like, what the hell is going on here? Or what is this? Anyway. The oil had GHB in it. You can't even say I'm gonna take the trade short or long on oil. Oh yeah, you can't even say that anymore. The whole world has been deleted from existence, and now, you know, that's what's gonna happen. All right, by the way, we have the equity open, and nothing is really happening here for now. It might push higher, I don't know. He was recording everything. Just went along 5 at 33. All right. I don't have anything here that I like. Yes, hold on, that open and tell us the true story minutes ago. I still think the big picture, I mean, I think ES should. I mean, it looks so much like it wants to waterfall down. Maybe not now, maybe in the New York session. Elon Musk bought some tapes. Look at the 1 hour. Oh, yeah. Nice little bounce here, but I still think it's going to go down. If I look at the 1 hour, it gives me the impression that it wants to go lower. So he will expose all of them. Really, that's what he wants to do? He bought the tapes and he wants to expose. Oh, real folks sent me an email. Let me check. Whoa, nice, 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 nice. Beautiful. Let me so this is the system from real folks. I see that you had some sell signals. Awesome. Beautiful. There's a sell. There's a buy. Nice, nice. Good trade there. Free Diddy gang. He was just a host. There you go. Mike Tyson fights Jake Paul. Oh, the fight is tonight, right? I wanted to look into that. Like, when is that fight? Because everywhere I go online, they talking about that fight. So what do you guys think it's gonna be? I think they already agreed on the who's gonna win, because this is just a show. So what do you guys think? Who's gonna win? Wake up, Elon. You can see all that I took. Oh yeah. Trade right with the help of the left. I see. Okay. It's just a show, exactly, A plus trader. It has already been decided what's going to be the outcome. So, guys, there's a lot of money involved here, and the whole lot of money, you know, because of the show. 100% sure that the result has already been decided. They already talked with each other, how they're gonna play this off, you know. I can also imagine that this is gonna be like a draw, maybe, you know, or something. Because that would be good for both sides, you know. It would be good for Mike and what does the... Anyway, so it would be good for Mike and Jake. So, Jake Paul, Mike Tyson. A plus says Mike Tyson. JP says Jake Paul. GZ1, good morning. Real Fox is gonna win. I went back long at 23.50. Okay, so you know what? You know what? All right. Here's the poll. Oh, sorry. I forgot to how did they say tie? It's going to be a tie. All right. All right, restarted it. Or break even. Maybe I should have just said break even. You get the point. Yeah. Agree, real folks. I think that it's gonna be some sort of a tie or even or something. They're gonna break even. They're gonna blow a funded pause. A funded pause. Cool. I think ES wants to go for that 45 now, but not sure. I'm still in favor that it should drop. Anyway, let's see. Let's see what you guys think. Currently, 72% says that Mike is going to win. All right, interesting. Yeah, I think so too, A+ Trader. I think so as well. We're just hovering in this area. Too much sideways action. Do we have some news? Retail sales. Okay. 8:30. Come on. Weirdos taking up. Oh, yeah. Fighting at the 25 support. Yeah, it's not coincidence, I know. Elon is sleeping right now. All right, see you in New York session, A+. Thank you for joining. Have a good one. Have a good one. Yeah, Elon Musk plays Diablo. I saw that video. He plays that. Interesting. Cool. In a way. Kind of cool. Still nothing here. All right, I'm going to end the poll. We have 30 votes. Seems like the majority of you guys are saying Mike Tyson is going to win. We want Tyson to win, but yeah, it's been settled already, 100%. Going live for the first time, bro. Much love. We'll be back tomorrow before I. Oh, awesome, cool. Thanks for joining. Let's go. 694 tonight. Awesome. That's how it's done. That's how it's done. Congratulations for the profits there. Congratulations. Sold at 24. Selling algo may come in. We need to see a break below this 15 then with a displacement. I think. So let's see. This 5-minute gap is holding now. I don't know for how long. Might want to go below the 800 again. You're still sure? Oh yeah, Bowser was holding it. You were holding that. Yeah. The 25 was definitely a spot where it can flip. Yeah. So Bowser, if you're sitting in that, that's still good. Enter the long. Oh man, that's unfortunate. It's gonna take me out again. I was super aggressive on this one. By watching this small fair value gap here. This one. I'm gonna give a different color. All right, my TP is at 840. Very tight, only 10 points. Stop. Damn it. I also like the idea that it picked up some liquidity down there. Let's see. It's a very tight stop, so I'm not gonna go crazy about it, but as far as I'm checking on ES, if it wants to take out that order block, ES might go back to the 45. That should be enough for NQ to pop the 40s. It lined up with the 5-minute gap too. Had a little bit of a liquidity sweep on the 1-minute gap as well. Nvidia is weak. Well, maybe that's causing some trouble here. Oh man, I was really hoping that it wants to squeeze back up everybody. SMT divergence on ES. Oh. Oh yeah. Yeah. But I really wanted to see ES, you know, pop the 45, 25-ish area. That would have helped NQ. Didn't take my short order sitting at 24.50. Oh. Seems so bearish. 15-minute. Yeah, it looks like it. It looks like it, but I just wanted to see some liquidity sweep. That's all. I'm not looking for a complete trend change here. All I'm looking for is for price to sweep something above the 40s. That's it. Obviously, the 37 is a difficult area, but anyway, it's not looking good now for me. Maybe I was trying to catch a falling knife. Yeah, it could be. The thing is, we have a liquidity or unbalanced price down there at 06. I think I was a little bit too aggressive on this trade. Maybe should have taken less risk. Holy Grail, hey. I think I'm good. We'll see. We'll see. It's making run for a VWAP. Okay, well. Short at 24.50. All right, let's see. Let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah, it could retest the lows again. Oh yeah, the 25 spot. Yeah, it's definitely almost like, as they say, the point of control. Price likes it. Who knows? I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on, Fresh Delgado. It's pretty much unpredictable this morning. I don't understand it too. You only have retail sales, or I don't know, something like that today. Wake me up when you see something. All right, Cedric. All right, you got it. I'm gonna be yelling like, Cedric, where are you? Oh, NVIDIA is in control. Anyway, I'm gonna use the bathroom, and I have to go down to the garage because I just got the message that somebody's picking up a package here. I have to go down. I'll be back in 2 or 3 or 5 minutes. So let's hope it will go some good way. Just a second. No dump. But I have to go down to the garage. A friend of mine came and gotta give some stuff there. Anyway, I'll be right back. I'm back. What's happening? Oh, it's still there. Okay. It's just hovering here. What is going on here? What is ES doing? Slow London. Yeah. Hey Tom, can I request a payout on Bulenox Monday or Tuesday? Yeah, any day of the week. Any day you can request it, but the payouts are happening the next week on Wednesday. That's when they process it. But you can request any day. So for example, if you request it on a Monday, then your payout is going to happen on the next week, so not on the same week. So whenever you request the payout, it's going to happen the next week. That's the thing. So any day, obviously. The main thing is that the payout request if you have a payout that you want to get, you must request it until Friday evening. That's the main thing. All right, so what's it gonna be? Watching ES2. You know, I'm gonna put an alert on ES just in case if it would break the 45, because then, you know, if ES spikes up to 45, I might gonna close my trade manually, because then NQ can just, you know, take the elevator immediately if ES would spike up. And then waiting to get paid and then starting to trade with this account. Yes, that's how I do exactly. But gotta watch out, Bray, is that you have to trade in every 5 days. So you have to push the button on the funded account in at least once every 5 days. So for example, if you make a trade on Monday and for example on Tuesday, so you reach the profit target on Monday, you request the profit on Tuesday, and they are going to pay you out next Wednesday, that's going to be more than 5 trading days. And just to be safe or sure, you know, so you got to watch out for that, okay? Because nowadays prop firms are getting harder on the rules, so you have to push the button once every 5 trading days. I did not hear anyone from Bulenox for getting denied because of this, but it's in the rules, so it seems like Bulenox wants to force the rules more than before. So just gotta make sure. Yeah, no problem. Okay, what is happening? What is happening? Oh, come on. Why are we stuck here? It looks good for now. I'm watching the ES2. You're still in a short. You're still gonna short, sorry. 844. What does your Tradeify discount code? Well, it gives you a cheaper price than it should, at least. So you get a cheaper price, basically. I mean, every discount code gives the same. It doesn't work. It should be working. Maybe small capital or big capital letters. I'm not sure. I mean, last time I checked, let me check it. Last time I checked, I still should be having that code. Just a second. Profile. Yeah. If you click on my link in the description or in the chat, and if it's still not giving you the discount, you try lowercase. Yeah, try full caps, maybe, because that's how it says on my end, full caps. So yeah. But Tradeify now has some good deals going on. But thank you, by the way, Dan, if you're using my code and supporting the channel. Thank you so much. On any of the products? What the hell? Let me check it out. Let me check it out. I'm gonna check out the Why does it not exist? Right now it says it not exist. Man. I don't know why. Let me just sorry about this. Well, then you can use somebody else's code, unfortunately. I mean, I'm gonna... Let me check something else. I'm gonna write an email to them. Why it's not working. Yesterday it worked because a friend of mine bought an account and he said it was working. Just a minute. Let me look at this. Okay, so what you can do, I'm sorry about this. If you click on my link, maybe it will still give some credit. If you click on my link, just type in this one. you know, that's the actual default code. It should, this is the full sale, what's going on currently. But, you know, maybe that will give you, yeah. ICT, what? ICE money flow will save you 90% on coupon Bulenox accounts. IC off, it will save you what? Why are you trashing other coupon codes here, man? I have TOMSABO 2, by the way, for option 2. So if you want to go with option 2, it's just the number 2. Give him my code. Oh yeah, by the way, yeah, everybody has a lot of codes. Everything is selling now. I don't know what's up with this price section. It's really annoying in a way. But I have places to be, so I don't know how long I can babysit this. I know, joking, I know. Does the discount apply on Bulenox activation fee? No, it's only on evaluation accounts. It's only on evaluations. Yeah, I'm gonna let it ride, so whatever happens, but it's definitely, so right now on the 5-minute we're back down into a fair value gap again. So lots of gaps here, but I feel like, yeah, this is just, everything was lining up so good. Took liquidity, this gap was holding, we have some levels up there. ES also has an order block to break on the upside, and it just doesn't really want to go through. So I even if I lose this trade, you know, my analysis was somewhat okay. I don't see a huge error in the tape reading I try to do here. And there's also almost like a bearish order block here as well on NQ. So my target is very decent to that. So the real target would be the 844, and that's why I didn't really understand what the heck is going on here. But NQ is very tricky in this session. It's definitely playing dirty this morning. It's playing dirty. Oh yeah, yesterday my code was working, I don't know. I'm gonna check something real quick. I don't know why it's not working. I'm gonna send them an email. No, I don't know that, Cord. I don't know. Oh, look at that. My trade is going down. This is why we're so bearish on it, because we broke the big 2 fair value gap between right. Oh, I see. It's just following the algorithm. Yeah, it could be the case. Unfortunate. I really wanted this to go. 2 losses with this one. It is what it is. It is what it is. It was looking good here. And the same thing happened before on the first trade. I just don't like it. The first trade did the same. Anyway, I think this trade is done now, so I don't think I'm gonna babysit this because I gotta go to places. So guys, I think this is it for me in the London session. I'll be coming back in New York. So thank you so much for dropping in and watching the stream. You guys are awesome. And I'll be back in New York. So thank you so much for watching. If you would like to support the channel, please use my codes and links. I don't know why Tradeify is not working yet, but you can still click on my link. Anyway, thank you. I'll be seeing you later. Have a good one. God bless you all, and take care. 1 to 2 is the risk reward, Cedric. 1 to 2. All right. Cheers, everybody. God bless you. See you later.